Welcome to our tutorial about the SQL insert statement. Let's right-click, New Query, choose the Users table, Add and Close. The SQL insert statement has the following format. Insert into, and then the table name, in our case Users. Next go the column names. You can provide the column names in any order that you prefer. The only caveat is that the column values need to match. For example, Jones should go in the last name column. When you're inserting your new records, remember that a database table often has requirements that might prevent you from adding a new record. For example, let's say you might have omitted a field that can't have a null value. Another field might be configured to use the default value if it's left blank. And it's possible that some fields might require data to be inputted in some kind of specific format. Your input might be rejected if it's not in that particular format. You might have noticed I didn't include the user ID in my statement. The reason for that is that the value in the user ID column auto-increments when a new record is added. The user ID is the primary key for this table. You can find more information about what a primary key is and how to assign it earlier in this course. Once we've verified that the data we've entered is correct, let's execute the SQL statement. We see that one row was affected by the last query. Let's click OK. And let's, for demonstration purposes, insert some invalid data. The join data in this table has a small date-time format. Now instead of that format, I've just inserted a character string here. Let's execute the query. And here is our error message. Visual Studio is very specific about what the problem is. Conversion failed when converting character string to small date-time data type. Let's click here. Select and run our query. If we scroll down, we see our record was inserted. And this concludes our tutorial about the SQL insert statement.